Hello viewers, I am Deepti. Today I am going to discuss with you 60 MCQ questions from class 10 ICSE Biology, Unit 1, which is Basic Biology, including chapters of chromosomes, cell cycle, cell division and genetics. Starting with our first question, double helical structure of DNA was given by option A is Frederick Misher, second is D.D. Watson, C is F.H.C. Crick and D is Watson and Crick. So the correct answer is D, Watson and Crick, because the shape of DNA molecule was studied by Rosalind Franklin but finally worked out by Watson and Crick in the same year. Question number 2 is in the DNA helix, complementary pairing is always between A and C is first option, A and G is second, A and T and then C and T. We know option number C is correct because the pairing is in between adenine and thymine. Question number 3, in a pea plant, the gene T, capital T for tallness, is dominant over the gene for dwarfness. If two heterozygous individuals are crossed, then option A, the phenotype and the genotype ratio will be the same. Second is the genotype ratio would be 3:1. Third is the phenotype ratio will be 3 dwarf and 1 tall, and these 25% individuals would be dwarf. So correct option is 25% individual would be dwarf. Question number 4. If a pure tall plant is crossed with a dwarf plant, the offsprings will be. Option number A is all tall, second is all dwarf, third is 50% tall and 50% dwarf, and third is 3:1. So correct option is A, all tall, because first follicle generation is capital T and small t. It means all tall. Question number 5. Which one of the following gives rise to normal human female? Option A is 22 pair of autosomes and XO. Option B is 22 pairs of autosomes and XX. C is 23 pair of autosomes and XY. And D is 23 pair of autosomes and XX. So correct option is 22 pair of autosomes and XX, because one pair of sex chromosomes and other are 22 are autosomes. So option number B is correct. Now question number 6. A hemophilic man marries a normal homozygous woman. What is the probability that their son will be a hemophilic? So options are 100%, 75%, 50% and 0%. Correct answer is 0%, because all sons would be normal because X chromosome they carry is from their normal homozygous mother. Question number 7. What is the probability that the daughter of a hemophilic man and a normal homozygous woman will be homophilic? Options are 100%, 75%, 50% and 0%. Answer is 0%, because daughters are carriers of hemophilia but they cannot carry, because we know that hemophilia is a recessive trait and daughter would always be a carrier of the trait and can never be homophilic. Question number 8 is a female would be colorblind only if option A is only father is colorblind, B is only mother is colorblind, C is mother is a carrier and father is normal, and D is mother is a carrier and father is colorblind. Correct option is D, because mother is a carrier and father is colorblind. Only then the female child would be colorblind. Question number 8. The number of chromosomes present in the nucleus of a skin cell are. Option number A is 23, second is 23 pairs, C is 22 pairs and D is 22. Skin cells or any other body cells has full set of chromosomes, that is 22 pair of autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosome. It means 46 chromosomes, or you can say 23 pairs. So correct option is part number B. Question number 9. The structure in the cell that initiates cell division in an animal cell is. Option number A is centromere, B is centrosome, C is chromosome and D is nucleosome. The correct option is centrosome, which initiates cell division. It is present only in animal cells and located near the nucleus. Question number 10. Number of daughter cells formed during mitosis is. Option number A is 2, B is 4, 3 is 6 and D is 8. So correct answer is 2, because mitosis is the type of cell division during which a cell divides into two daughter cells. each containing same number of chromosomes present in the parent cell. Question number 11. The complex formed by 8 histone molecules and DNA strands is called. Option number A is centrosome, B is nucleotide, C is nucleosome, D is macromolecule. So correct answer is nucleosome. Chromatin material consists of DNA and a protein called histone. 8 histone molecules club together like a ball and DNA strand coil around the ball. This complex is called nucleosome. Question number 12. The nitrogen bases of a DNA strand are connected to each other by a dash bond. Options are number A is nitrogen, B is carbon, C is hydrogen and D is oxygen. So correct answer is hydrogen bond. DNA strands has repeated nucleotides and they are connected by hydrogen bond. Question number 13. The hereditary unit of cell is A option chromosome, B nucleosome, C DNA and D genes. So correct answer is genes because genes carry hereditary chromosomes or characters from parents to offsprings. Question number 14. The exact location of centromere is Option number A between two centrioles, B between two nitrogen bases, C between two sister chromatids and D between two daughter chromatids. So correct option is C between two sister chromatids because centromere is the structure which connect two chromatids of duplicated chromosomes. Question number 15. The exact location of spindle fiber is A. Between cell membrane and nuclear membrane, B. Between two chromatids, C. Between two centrioles in an animal cell and D. Between two nucleotides. So correct option is between two centrioles in an animal cell because we know the spindle fibers are extension of ester rays. Question number 16. What is the function of cell plate? Option number A, divide the two daughter cells of animal cells. B is divide cytoplasm of plant cell into two. C is divide nucleus of plant cell into two. D is divide nucleus of an animal cell into two. So correct answer is part number B, divide cytoplasm of plant cell into two. Because in cytokinesis stage of mitotic cell division in plant cells, a cell plate formed in the center and grow towards periphery and form two daughter cells. In next question, observe the diagram given below and identify the stage. And stages given are prophase, metaphase, interphase and anaphase. And the stage given in the diagram is metaphase because the chromosomes are aligned at the equator. In question number 18, name the stage preceding and the one succeeding metaphase in order. Option number A is interphase and prophase, B is prophase and telophase, C is prophase and anaphase and D is anaphase and telophase. So correct option is prophase which comes before metaphase and anaphase which comes after it in which sister chromatids separate. To remember this line, we may learn the word IPMAT. Interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and then telophase. Next question number 19 is the number of chromosomes present in the nucleus of a sperm is. Option number A is 23, B is 23 pairs, C is 22 and D is 22 pairs. So correct answer is only 23 because gametes or sex cells are the special type of cells that have only 23 chromosomes. Question number 20. Chromatin fiber is made up of DNA and options are RNA, nucleotides, histones and phosphates. And the correct answer is histones because chromatin fiber is formed of two substances in which DNA is 40% and histones are about 60%. Question number 21. The combination of genes in an organism, A option is phenotype, B is genotype, C is variation and D is mutation. So genetic constitution or you can say set of genes present in cells of an organism are called genotype. So correct option is B, genotype. Question number 22. What is mutation? A option, the combination of genes in an organism. B is the expressed character which is genetically controlled. C is small difference between individuals due to inheritance. and D is sudden change in one or more genes or in number and structure of chromosomes. So correct option is B. Sudden change in one or more genes or in number and structure of chromosomes is called mutation. Question number 23. A centriole is present. Option number A in plant cell, B in animal cell, C in both plant and animal cell, and D none of these. So centriole is typically located in cytoplasm near nucleus in cells of most of the animals. So correct option is B in animal cells. Question number 24. The function of gene is option number A. It is the genetic material that passes from parent to offspring. B. It is used as evidence in the court. C. It helps in the synthesis of protein. D. It helps in cell division. So correct answer is option number A. It is the genetic material that passes from parent to offspring because gene is the basic physical and fundamental unit of heredity. In question number 25, observe the diagram given below and label the parts A, B, C and D. We know in this interphase has been shown because no visible change in the chromosomes but active synthesis of DNA. Options given are centrosome, chromatin fiber, nucleus and nucleolus. So we know the correct option is B, in which A part depicts chromatin fiber, B black part depicts nucleolus, C centrosome and D is the nucleus. In question number 26, based on the diagram, where does the DNA replication occur? A option is S phase, B is G phase, C is G2 phase and D is M phase. The correct option is S phase, synthesis phase, because more DNA is synthesized and chromosomes are duplicated in this phase. Question number 27. The division of cytoplasm is known as A. Mitosis, B. Synapse, C. Cytokinesis or D. Karyokinesis. So, the correct answer is cytokinesis because the complete division of cytoplasm takes place. Question number 28. This structure tends to vanish always during mitosis and meiosis. Options are A. Plastids, B. Plasma membrane, C. Nucleolus and nuclear membrane and D. All of these. The correct answer is part number C. Nucleolus and nuclear membrane because they disappear. In question number 29, the term chromosome literally means A. Inherited bodies, B. Colored bodies, C. Twisted bodies and D. Shining threads. So correct answer is colored bodies because chromosomes are strongly stained by some colorful dyes. So they are called colorful bodies. Question number 30. Name the cell organelle that forms the ester. Options given are centriole, centrosome, chromosome and cytoplasm. Correct answer is A option, centriole, because centrioles form ester that are located at each pole and they help in the cell division of animal cells. In question number 31, meiosis occurs only in dash cells. Option number A is reproductive, B is skin, C is both reproductive and skin, D is none of these. Correct option is A, reproductive, because to produce haploid gametes. Question number 32, the term monohybrid is, options given are A, a cross between two pure breeding, B, a cross between two parents by taking two features together, C, a cross between two different breed of different plant, and D, none of these. Correct answer is option number A, a cross between two pure breeding different varieties of organism taking alternative traits of one single character. Question number 33. The number of chromosomes in a certain type of cell division is halved. The kind of cell division occurs in A. Only testis, B. Only ovary, C. Both ovary and testis and D. All body cells. So, meiosis ensures that humans have same number of chromosomes in each generation. So, correct option is both ovary and testis. It means sex cells. Question number 34. Centrosome are found A option inside the nucleus, B on the wall of the cytoplasm, C between cytoplasm and nucleoplasm and D within cytoplasm near the nucleus. So correct option is D within cytoplasm near the nucleus because it consists of two centrioles oriented at right angles to each other. Question number 35. The function of esterase is option number A to help in cytokinesis, B to help in karyokinesis, C. Help in both cytokinesis and pyrokinesis, and D. None of these. Correct answer is option number A, to help in cytokinesis, to ensure that each daughter cell has appropriate amount of chromosomes. Question number 36. The alternate form of gene is A. Alternate types, B. Recessive character, C. Dominant character, and D. Allele. So allele is the correct answer because alleles are alternate form, occupy same position on homologous chromosome and affect same character in different way. Question number 37. Pea plants were used in Mendel's experiment because option number A, they were cheap, B, they had contrasting characters, C, they were available easily, and D, all of these. So correct answer is option number B, they had contrasting characters because they have easily identifiable traits. Question number 38. The dash state implies the exit of cells from the cell cycle. Option number A is S, B is G1, C is G2, and D is G. So correct answer is G2 phase because now the cell is ready to start next cell division. Question number 39. Which of the following characteristics of pea plants was not used by Mendel in his experiments? Option number A is seed color, B is seed shape, C is pod length, and D is flower position. So correct answer is pod length because Mendel used 7 traits in his hybridization experiment, include flower color, stem length, pod shape, pod color, seed shape, and flower position, but not include pod length. Question number 40. Which of these is true for meiosis? A is it occurs in all body cells except sex cells. B is 2 daughter cells are produced. C 4 daughter cells are produced. D a single nuclear division occur after chromosome duplication. So correct answer is option number C. 4 daughter cells are produced because each with half the number of chromosomes of parent cell. So 4 daughter cell, correct option is C. Question number 41. Which one of these is a function of monohybrid cross? A. It is used to determine successive relationship between two alleles. B. It is used to determine dominant relationship between two alleles. C. It is used to determine both dominant and successive relationship between two alleles. And D. None of these. Correct option is option number B. It is used to determine dominant relationship between two alleles. The cross begin with the parental generation. Question number 42. The condensation of chromosomes is observed in A phase is prophase, B anaphase, C metaphase, D none of these. Correct answer is option number A, which is prophase, because chromatin fiber is condensed to form chromosomes in this phase. Question number 43. Synthesis phase in the cell cycle is called so for the synthesis of option number A RNA, B RNA and protein, C DNA, and D glucose. So correct answer is DNA, which occurs between G1 and G2 phase. Question number 44. The spindle apparatus is formed during the dash phase of mitosis. A option is telophase, B metaphase, C prophase, D anaphase. So correct option is prophase because the nucleus disappear, spindle fiber form, and DNA condense into chromosomes. Question number 45. The tendency of an offspring to resemble its parents is known as option number A is variation, B is heredity, C is resemblance, and D is inheritity. So correct option is heredity because heredity is the transmission of traits from biological parents to next generation. Question number 46. Alleles are option number A alternative form of genes, B linked genes, C chromosomes that have crossed over, and D homologous chromosomes. So correct option is A alternative form of genes. Question number 47. Who is known as the father of genetics? Option number A Morgan, B Mendel, C Watson, and D Batson. So correct answer is option number B Mendel, known as the father of genetics because Mendel's discovery of laws governing the inheritance of traits. Question number 48. The longest stage in the cell cycle. A option interphase, B anaphase, C metaphase, and D none of these. Correct answer is interphase. Because in interphase, cell undergoes normal growth processes and prepare for cell division. So cells spend most of the time in this phase. So this is known as the longest stage in the cell cycle. Question number 49. Give the exact location of autosomes. Option number A, it occurs in all types of body cells. B, it occurs in pair in somatic cells. C, it occurs in only reproductive cells. And D, none of these. So correct answer is it occurs in pair in somatic cells because they are chiefly associated with the various metabolic functions of the cell. In question number 50, which of these is true regarding the function of pea plant in Mendel's experiment? Option number A, the flowers are trisexual. B, they are self-pollinating. C, varieties were available in pure form. And D, all of these. We know all of these points are true regarding the pea plant experiment. Question number 51. Which of the following statement is true regarding law of segregation? A option, law of segregation is the law of purity of genes. B is alleles separate from each other during formation of gametes. C, they do not blend. And D, all of the above. So all of the above is the correct option, option number D. In question number 52, cell division is, options given are A, attachment of spindle fiber to the chromosome, B, formation of two or more cells, C, condition in which a pair of chromosomes carry different pair of characters, and D, condition in which a pair of character carries similar pair of characters. So, the correct answer is option number B, formation of two or more cells, because cell division is a process in which a parent cell divides into two or more daughter cells. Question number 53, DNA is present. Options A is inside nucleus, B is inside chloroplast, C is inside mitochondria, and D is all of these. And correct answer is all of these because DNA is located in cell nucleus, but a small amount of DNA is found in mitochondria and chloroplast also. So all of the given options are correct. In question number 54, the function of cell division is A option is gamete formation, B is growth, C is reproduction, and D all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above because we know cell division has three main functions: gamete formation in multicellular organisms, growth and repair of tissues in multicellular organisms, and reproduction in unicellular organisms. In question number 55, from the given diagram, identify the stage. A is anaphase, B is telophase, C is late anaphase, and D is metaphase. So, the correct option is C, which is late anaphase, because two sister chromatids apart towards opposite poles by shortening of spindle fibers in this diagram. In question number 56, the small difference among the individuals of the same species. Options given are variation, heredity, genes, and alleles. And you know the correct option is A, which is variation. In question number 57, in telophase, spindle fiber dash. A, reappear, B, disappear, C, reform, and D, none of these. And the correct answer is option number B, which is disappears, because nuclear membrane formed, furrow starts deepening in animal cell in telophase. In question number 58, a crossing over is represented in the diagram. The phenotype ratio is A option is 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1, B is 1 is to 2 is to 1, C is 3 is to 1, and D is 1 is to 3. So correct option is 3 is to 1 because they have asked phenotype ratio. If they ask genotype ratio, then it should be 1 is to 2 is to 1. In question number 59, the phase in which chromosome get attached to spindle by its centromere. A option is metaphase, B anaphase, C telophase, D prophase. The correct option is metaphase because chromosomes get attached to spindle. Question number 60, the specific sequences of nucleotides which regulate body features. And I know you know the answer. Options given are genes, DNA, RNA, and protein. And the correct answer is option number A, which is genes. Hope you have understood all the MCQs and the explanation given by me. If you have any doubt, you can tell me in the comment section. I have attached the question paper in the description box. Also, you can see from there. Thanks for watching till the end. Goodbye for now. Keep sharing and watching my videos. Thank you.